Hello to you. Welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to make your own natural body scrub at home for your exfoliating works, your face, or if you want to just use it for your entire body. It's excellent for that. You know, I was moved to create my own because, searching for something that, was all natural and, just really different, I could not find it. Hence, I was moved to create my own. And today, I would love to share that recipe with you so you can also make your own exfoliating body scrub at home. So you'd want to do that. Remember, it's all about eating healthy, living healthy, and keeping happy. But in the meantime, you can take this time to click that subscription button below. Now leave me a thumbs up for this video, my people. Leave your comments as well. And don't forget to share. Now, let's get straight to it. So first you would need your container, and I will have my glass container ready so that you can see all that's happening. So my first ingredient is the Jablum Jamaican Instant Coffee. And I will add 3 tablespoons. And the coffee will help to tighten the skin and allow it to look much more shiny and healthier. Then my second ingredient is my turmeric, and with this I will use 1 teaspoon. My third ingredient will be my brown sugar. This is my third ingredient, and I will use 3 tablespoons . Three tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I will add my 100% coconut oil, and this bottle is from my kitchen. Yes, so sometimes for me to get the oil out of it, I have to squeeze the bottle, so hence it is a little bit squashed. But I will add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So that's 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of hemp seed oil, and this oil nourishes dry skin, so it will indeed help you with this exfoliation process to also remove and repair your skin. So I'm gonna just turn the top part and get out the 1 tablespoon of this oil. And then for one of my favorites, 1 tablespoon of castor oil. And all these are excellent for your skin. And the castor oil will help the ingredient to seep deep within the skin. This is one of the oils that can seep deep in your skin and help the nutrients also to be absorbed. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of this body oil, groovy body oil. The ingredient in this is almond oil, sesame seed oil, and avocado oil. If you can look closely, you will see it. Avocado oil, sesame seed oil, and also almond oil. And these oils are very good for your skin. Yes, they will stimulate growth and repair and replenish your skin. And this also carries a wonderful fragrance. So this oil is what will add the fragrance to the body scrub. And the fragrance from this is vanilla lace. So I will add just 1 tablespoon of this oil. I will now mix. And this will indeed allow your skin to look much more brighter and help to get rid of wrinkles as well and remove dead skin. Then I will place in my container and store for use. This is excellent. And it smells so good. And also the turmeric will also give your face a bright glow. So you will indeed get glowy skin. So here I have it. And then I have my lid to cover. And this feels good on the face. Oh my, so this is me after washing my face. Wow. My face feels so soft. Unbelievable. My face feels so soft. Oh my God. And I just washed my face with water alone. I didn't put any soap on it because I wouldn't want, you know, the oils to be on my face still. And then I will just pat the water off. Wow. You will love this. My face smells good with the oils and all. Smells good and it feels good. It feels good. I am loving this. And your face, wow, will be much brighter. It will work. This will leave your skin glowing. And just to remind you, I still have my avocado oil that I showed you how to make at home. I still have my avocado oil. I showed you how to make this. And I'm going to leave this video in the description box below. This is the oil that I always use on my lips. I'm all about natural living, you know, people. Just let me know if you want more of these natural videos and I will definitely share them with you. Yeah, using the things around your house and in your garden to create a better living for yourself. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying with me today. So you should include this scrub in your body care routine. Okay, my ladies and those men, we're all about body care. Yeah. And especially if you want to do your body care the natural way, you will enjoy this scrub. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. Stay tuned and stay connected for another awesome, informative, exciting country life video coming up very soon. Ta-ta.